Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to swap USDT to Ethereum using Trust Wallet. Swapping lets us exchange one crypto for another directly in our wallet. We will walk you through each step so you can do this safely. Let's get started. Open Trust Wallet and tap the Swap button. You can find it in either of the two spots shown on screen. Now we need to set the first token. Select USDT as the token we are swapping from. To do that, we just need to find USDT in the token list. Simply search for USDT and select it. Now we need to set the second token to Ethereum, so we are swapping USDT to Ethereum. Next, search for Ethereum and tap on it to select it. Now we need to enter the amount of USDT we want to swap. Once we type in the amount, an Approve option will appear. When we are happy with the amount, tap Approve USDT to confirm and complete the swap. That's it. We have successfully swapped USDT to Ethereum in Trust Wallet. Our crypto portfolio is now updated, and we can manage our Ethereum easily.